Judge Barbara Hartle.
Thank you, Gwen. Thank you, everyone, for being here this morning. Welcome to the City of Houston Municipal Courts Department. I want to just throw out a couple of welcomes and thank yous. Janet Martin, our folks from Linebarger, I think our Chief Prosecutor, Randy Zamora, I saw him a moment ago. I'd also, in addition to the Associate Presiding Judge, want to recognize our Administrative Judge, Elaine Marshall, and Nellie Santos, Deputy Director, Charlotte Booker, Deputy Director and Clerk of Court, and Lily Warden, Assistant Director. We are grateful to have you all here to make this announcement today. About a month ago, I stood here and made an announcement that the City of Houston Municipal Courts was offering an amnesty program. That amnesty program went well enough that I extended it 1 week. However, the clock is ticking and it ends tomorrow at midnight. So that was an opportunity for individuals that have failure to appear warrants, unadjudicated cases to come in or pay online at reduced rates, and it's been successful. We've cleared some cases. I don't have the exact numbers on that yet, but it ends. Now we need to really impress upon citizens that if you have any outstanding warrants in this jurisdiction and in the other jurisdictions that are represented here, you have notice that on March 2nd there will be increased police efforts, law enforcement efforts to execute those warrants. We are participating across the state in this great Texas Warrant Roundup. It usually happens this time every year, and it's an opportunity for all of us to work together to put out the message that if you have a warrant, you need to resolve it, or they're going to come after you either at your place of business, school, on the way to the rodeo if you get stopped, and now that is the time to deal with it before those arrests begin, and that's what we're trying to put out the message to everybody. Once this warrant roundup begins, we will be aggressively targeting defendants on the warrant list. We are partnering with Linebarger, has a program. It's called a license plate recognition program. It's been in existence for a couple of years. It's an opportunity for us to use technology to locate people who have outstanding warrants and to bring them to justice, so to speak. So that license recognition program will be a stepped up effort also, so that if you owe money to any of these jurisdictions and you have not come in and taken care of your obligation, then chances are we're going to find you during this warrant roundup and you will be forced to take care of that obligation. We will be mailing out notices from the municipal court to defendants with active warrants. Citizens with active warrants in other jurisdictions should contact those jurisdictions for the information on how to clear those warrants. And a complete list of our participating regional partners will be found on the municipal court's website, and we've given out that information to the media. If you live in the city limits of Houston, you can call 311 to find out if you have active warrants with the City of Houston Municipal Court. For the other jurisdictions, you'll need to be calling or looking on those websites to find out if you have any warrants with those jurisdictions. This is an opportunity between now and March 2nd to voluntarily appear in the jurisdictions and the courthouses to try to resolve your cases, because after March 2nd it may be an involuntary appearance, and that's something that I really wanted to stress for you. If you want to know how to pay, most all of our jurisdictions are going to take cash, checks, credit cards. Okay? So you can look on those websites and find out how to pay, or contact those offices in person and find out what you need to do. I'm going to turn this over now to Associate Presiding Judge Maria Casanova to share with our Spanish-speaking stations the information that